A guide you to create a playlist on YouTube on your mobile. Let's make a playlist on YouTube. For that, firstly hop into the YouTube, and from there you need to tap on any of the video which you could go for creating a playlist. Let's say I'm tapping on this video. Loved it. And now I could scroll down like this to find the save option. So I need to tap on the save, and that is by defaultly saved to the watch later. So let's say if I need to create a new playlist, I could tap on the change option here, and from there I can tap on the new playlist, and here I can enter the title. Let's say I'm entering celebs. So here, and you could see the visibility. I could change it to the private or public, or anyone with that link can view. So I'm going for the private. And from here, you can go for collaborating the that, and you can tap on create. Here you could see there has been playlist has been created. Now, if you need to view that, all you need to do is that you need to tap on your profile, which means you here, and you need to scroll to find the playlist option. In that, you need to tap on view all. Here, just now I have added celebs, and here you could see that playlist has been here. This is how you create a playlist on YouTube on mobile. Thank you.